Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Share, comment. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do an unboxing on this 2-in-1 heavy duty staple and 18 gauge brad nail gun. It's made by Hart. And we're going to talk about it. It takes brad nails and staples. Hope y'all can see this. Okay. And it say it's supposed to be 20% easier to squeeze. I will show y'all in a minute. Don't it look like an old time staple machine? The old time staple machine. It look like a staple machine, don't it? This is the back of it. If you want to scan, you can. I had already opened it off camera to make it easier for me on camera. I'm gonna show you what it looked like out of the package. Let's see. This is what it looked like. It's made by Hart. You can see what size staple it needs and brad nails it needs. Hope you can see that. And that's the window right there to show you. I'm assuming that's the window right there to show you how many staples you have. And this is how this is what it sounds like. Yeah, it's a little hard to push, but so yeah, this is what it sounds like.